Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Marisa K. Fermin, 29 years old. I am not yet married, but I have two kids ages 9 and 6. My partner's name is John Lawrence F. Gutierrez. My mother's name is Marites K. Fermin, and my father's name is Jaime R. Fermin. I have one sister. I am a college undergraduate, but took vocational course of caregiving NC2. I am a nanny for 2 years here in the Philippines. I serve a family member of 3, and my main duties are taking care of the baby, doing light household chores, and laundry. And now, I am a private caregiver since 2026 until present. I take care of an elderly with Parkinson's disease, age 62 years old. My main duties, including assistance with daily activities, mobility support, medication reminders, and meal preparations. Good day, Mom and Sir. I know how to do household chores like cleaning, washing, marketing, and cooking Filipino food, and I'm willing to learn to cook Chinese food. And the most important thing is take good care of children, like feeding them, bathing, dressing, engage in educational activities, and maintain a clean and organized environment. To my future employer, I promise to take good care of your child, love them, and treat them as my own child. Good day, Mom and Sir. I hope you will choose me as part of your family. I will do my responsibilities and duties and obey your rules and regulations. Thank you, Mom and Sir.